Morning all, Chris here from Carey's Kite, and on today's topic, cleaned out the filter mesh, and that's what's come out of it already. Not fine filter mesh. Fish are all doing well. I decided to put that fine filter mesh in a skimmer instead of the floss. But today I need to talk about these float switches. So Andy from Derby Kite, if you're watching this, you can put me right. The yellow block, which you can see there, has that got to be in the pond or out the pond? Or does it make any difference? I don't know. But the fish I'm doing okay. Seem happy. My temperature's 8.4 I think. But apart from that, everything's hunky-dory at the minute. Catch you on the next one.